Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video, I'm going to make video. It's very good video. Impact wrench at work. I have impact wrench working on a battery. Sometimes when I put the battery on, because the impact wrench vibrate a lot when working with it, make the battery vibration. Yeah. So when the battery has vibration, it will disconnect sometime, and the impact wrench make like this. You know what I mean, yeah? So the way I'm holding the battery to make it connect very good with the impact wrench vibration impact wrench, I am going to show you how to do it. Okay? I am going to show you how I am doing it. Yeah. If you want to do it, you do it. But just I'm telling you how I am doing it. Okay? Don't forget push the like button. When you push the like button, that's mean you make me more exciting to make video like this. Okay? And it will be very good support from you. Yeah, push the like button. Enjoy watching and have a good beautiful day. 2 likes. See? Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video. If you push the like button, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Good night.